Hello, my name is Dr. Larry Bagnell. In the following video, you will witness one of our practice members who is 7 months old be evaluated and corrected for spinal misalignments. And remember, chiropractic care is a family affair at Bagnell Chiropractic Life Center. Thank you. There we go. This arm straight out for me, right like this. Make a fist. Hold strong. Good. Hold strong. I'll keep my hand on him so he doesn't bounce out of your arms. Hold. Here. 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 Drop. Okay, so right here we're going to click, click, click. Click, click, click. This hand straight out. Hold. Surprise. What was that? Hold. Here. 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 Now drop your arm down for me. You can hold him now like you are. Let's see what we got here, buddy. Just use a little pressure right here. And this arm straight out. I'm going to check another area. Hold strong. Hold strong. Drop. Okay, here's the other area now. Click, 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 click. Click, click. All done. All done. That's it. Smile. Smile over here. Smile over here. There you go.